They're about, doing the laundry and sweeping and working in the garden. And they would sing these while they were working, though we also think they would sing them during worship services. But one thing to remember about the Shakers is that for them, work was worship. The most famous saying attributed to their founder, Ann Lee, is put your hands to work and give your hearts to God. And so for the Shakers, that meant work was a kind of prayer. And so they wanted to remind themselves of that. So the work songs tend to have a very spiritual component to them, as well as doing what most work songs do, which is sort of keep up your spirits and keep you working on a particular pace. So let me sing a sweeping song. I haven't sung this in a while. Let's see if I remember it. Low, 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 on this pretty path I will go. For here Mother leads me, and I know it is right. I will sweep as I go, I will sweep as I go. For this Mother bids me, and it is my delight. And the sword I will wield, and the sword I will wield. For Mother bids me so, and I will hold, and I will hold. For this is my path while here below. Mother, of course, most probably a reference to the founder of the religion, Mother Ann Lee, whom the Shakers believed had embodied the Christ Spirit, that the Christ Spirit had returned, second coming, through her and through all true believers. But the Shakers also believed that God had a male and a female component, so they may also be referring to God when we talk about Mother. Any final questions before I finish up? So I'm going to finish with a song that's actually unique to Hancock. Some of these songs made their way around to all of the communities, but a lot of different communities would sing Simple Gifts, for example, or Come Life, Shaker Life. But some communities would have songs that that's what they sang, and it didn't really make its way to another community. So this is a farewell song that they would sing here at Hancock. And we think that they may have used it when people were going to travel, to sort of send them on their way, whether it was visitors who were going back home or a peddler from the Shaker community going out to sell goods. We know that they used it for funeral services, for the final farewell, and in the second part you'll hear that aspect of it. But I hope this won't be a final farewell. I'll send you on your way with the Hancock farewell. Farewell, dear prosperers, the time has now come for us to be parted and go to our home. We thank you most kindly for this interview, and when we are parted, we will pray for you. But oh, what a meeting we view on before, where parting will never be known anymore. We give you our hands and we freely declare that we will be faithful and all meet you there. Thank you very much for joining me.